We're back at Animal Kingdom for a rainy afternoon on the last day of our trip. Since we had done most of what we wanted to do already, we headed straight for the Navi River ride. So we've waited till after a rainstorm and more towards the end of the day, and instead of it being like a 55-minute, 70-minute wait, it's more of a 35-minute wait. Well, now it's more like a typical Florida summer trip. We are definitely getting rained on today. I know we're doing a river ride. I just didn't think we had to traipse through a river to get there. It is raining just a bit. It's a raining, but I'm still gonna have my Disney snacks. Night Blossom, the Rum Blossom, and the Pineapple Lumpia. That beautiful pineapple and cream cheese footage. The Pineapple Lumpia. Oh, this is so good. And it's hitting the spot because it's warm. Mm. Mm. So good. So, I have to go zoom out to get my 6'5" husband in the frame. But, what do you think of that Rum Blossom there?
Yum.
Yum to the rum. So I'm being the responsible adult with the white straw having the Night Blossom, which is complete BS. I just drank before we got here. Time for one of Disney's greatest rides. Experiencing the queue is half the fun at Flight of Passage. your first flight.
Or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden.
Well, it's the end of our last park day on our trip, Jeanette. How was it?
It was fantastic. It was so much fun.
You had the best first Disney trip ever.
Yes, especially with the umbrella.
Oh yeah, because the rain at the last of it. The rain. And there's the exit to Animal Kingdom, and we are done. You know, except for we're gonna go to House of Blues tonight too. But first, let me have some French fries. We had time. Plus, I hadn't seen the brand new McDonald's. Later that night, we were in for the real treat, House of Blues. It really surprised me how much I enjoyed this place. We've never made time for it before, and it's one of the oldest restaurants at Disney Springs. We loved it. It's our last night, and Dad's treating us to a super nice meal here at House of Blues. Thank you. It was the perfect spot to eat on our last night, and then get to enjoy a walk back to our hotel with the beautiful Disney Springs nighttime views. I really hope you've enjoyed this bit of pixie dust from a Texan. If you have, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, Texie Dust. Just as a little added bonus, I thought I'd show you how I deal with my after Disney depression. I find a good winery to stop at as soon as we head back to Texas. And you can find the Free State Cellars in Orange, Texas. That's too much. Mixed berry right there, fruity pebble, pina colada, bayou banana, watermelon cherry, and blackberry pomegranate. The sangria flight. Oh my. Well, I had a wine flight for their sweets, wines, Moscato, peach Moscato, a couple of sweet reds. And then I had a sangria flight. 6 different frozen sangrias sampled, from mixed berry, fruity pebbles, banana bayou to watermelon. My favorite was the pomegranate. But I think we had the perfect last stop of our road trip.
Agreed.
Up next for the channel, I'm headed back to Disney World, of course, for Boo Bash. So stay tuned. Until then, please enjoy some of my other content.